Right, so we've just stopped in a little town called Akka, which has got a, ooh, hello, which has got a souk that's supposedly open till 6, but I think just not much is open, to be honest. We'll see what we can find. The souk is very much closed. It is gone for, I mean, what time is it? It's 4:30 in the afternoon, so yeah, pretty much everybody is closed down. However, we found a lovely fruit and veg shop right in the middle of it all. So he's uncovering it all for us again so we can have a look at what they've got. Now, Jackie has been making Nick avocado and tomato with egg on toast. So I had my first try of an avocado for the first time in a long time today, and I actually quite enjoyed it. Now, I think it's time we get some fruit and veg because this is looking pretty nice and pretty fresh. Tomato, tomato, you're going to juggle with them now?
No, because I will drop them.
Oh, what you imagining there?
All sorts of things. If we have a hummus, warm bread.
So we got 2 rolls free. So it was 1 dirham per roll. But yeah, they just threw us 2 free.
1 for you, 1 for Dale, 1 for Nick.
5 for Jackie.
Have some more, Dale. Are you going to share? Is that it?
What do you reckon?
What?
Have your bread
Gorgeous.
fresh out the oven?
Beautiful.
So I could smell it. So we were following my nose because I was sure that I could smell the bread. And sure enough, we found him tucked away in a corner. Right. Maybe I should finish eating before I start talking. Having a little walk into town where it seems to be a lot busier. Maybe go for some Moroccan tea for these guys. I'm really not liking the Moroccan tea, if I'm honest. I love the taking part, but I'm not keen on the taste, sadly. However, I may partake in a little bit of Nick's tea. So Nick's been practicing whilst I've been on my retreat. So now I get to see exactly how he makes a tea. Oh.
Windy, innit? You had to taste the real Morocco.
Come on, bottom of that.
I'm right in the middle.
It's not strong, isn't it?
Maybe that's why he's giving you water to water it down.
No, that water's to cleanse your palate.
No, it's straight. I'm going to try it straight away, I think.
Alright.
It's that bitterness, you know, the really strong tea.
You look like you're really enjoying that, girl.
Look, you can tell by colour of it. That's the bit that you're supposed to throw away.
Turns out it's not the favourite tea that they've had so far. I don't think it helps that the cups don't look like they've been used for 10 years. Right, so this park up seems to be a bit of a gnarly route to get to it. We've just crossed a riverbed and we're now, ooh, that's hairy.
Off-road.
Completely, well and truly off-road. This is absolutely nuts, but really cool all the same. Oh my days. This is supposed to be it here now. We're supposed to be here.
Is there a piece scratched on the wall somewhere?
Is there a piece scratched on the wall? That's what we're looking for, is a piece scratched on the wall. How crazy is that? There's some painted sticks here.
What we're looking for, what's the campsite called?
It's not a campsite, it's just like a farm apparently. What the heck is going on?
We're here! Your destination is on your right!
And said right is well.
So our destination is here.
Well, that was fun crossing the riverbed, wasn't it?
We have a flash flood tonight, we're not getting back out.
Right, so this is hilarious. I mean, Nick's got tree. How are you even going to get in there? You're going to have to reverse into it if you choose that one. Should we go a bit further? Oh God, you're going to fall in the gap. Oh, I knew it. Oh, goodness me. Have you had enough, Luna, today? Anyway, it seems like this is going to be our park up for the night, as long as no one moves us on. I've heard that it's 20 dirhams, but we so far haven't seen anyone, so let's see. Another super random park up. Yeah, absolutely crazy. Them guys are trying to get into it. Goodness me, what a day. So we've seen many sights today, which have been absolutely beautiful. So I think tonight what we'll do, we'll make something to eat between us all, have a bit of food, and then just a good old chill, because I'm really tired again tonight. So we need to, yeah, catch up on some Zeds. Right, so the sun's going down. I think this spot will do for the night. It's walled all around. Right, I think maybe it was used a lot more in the past maybe, but yeah, there's not really much sign of people here. In fact, a motorbike's just gone past as I've been saying that, but of course it does. Yeah, it's just like a little, I think we're surrounded by a few olive trees, but as far as peaceful goes, I think we might have a peaceful night. Now, so far no doggies or cats, so I'm gonna keep my fingers crossed that no turn up tonight and Luna can stay out. We've just had a real worry with, because Luna is quite feisty, I don't want a dog to go for her, and obviously then we've got that whole rigmarole of all of that, and it's, yeah, I can't control other dogs, I can only control Luna. So yeah, when there's other dogs and cats around, we've been trying to put her inside, or distracting her is sometimes an easy way to do it, or not. Anyway, looks like a few people have been here before with fires, but yeah, we want to try and stay a bit inconspicuous tonight. We want to watch the stars. The aim has been to find a really quiet, secluded place so that we can get a really good, dark, starry night. So hopefully later on that's what we're going to get. Please, angels.
So we ended the evening with a beautiful meal.
And the angels delivered us the most stunning night skies. Good morning. Right, it's time to leave this park up. So I'll tell you something, what these little buggers did to me last night. And that, oh, what was that? Something just cracked.
What?
Did you not hear it? I don't know. You all did it for us. Thanks, darling. So we crossed a riverbed.
Show him.
Hello, Jackie. Hello. Your doorbell. That nutter was also involved. But basically, she's crazy. I love her. So after we'd had a look around Akka yesterday, we obviously came over here, and to get to this park up, we ended up crossing a riverbed. Now, these guys, said culprit, decided to tell me that we'd crossed over the border into Algeria. So the whole night, I might add, not just like for a few minutes they had me on, all freaking night, I've got running through my head, oh my God, what if we can't get back over the river? Oh my God, what if like the Algerian police come, or the army, or oh my God. And I kept vocalising these things as well. They were making up all sorts of stories. Woo, fly. How we were gonna be okay. And every time someone went past, I was like, but it wasn't until later on when Nick went, how anxious are you actually feeling about it, Jen? To which I said, extremely anxious. All right, out of 10. And then I played it down a bit. I said, maybe a 4 or 5. And he went, all right, we're not really over the border. I literally wanted to wring his neck. And Jackie and Dale's. But yeah, this is the riverbed now that we're just about to cross. So there's Jackie and Dale crossing. It's a bit crazy. So this is the riverbed. Oh my god. We are really putting this van through its paces, I tell you. Oh gosh, yeah, you have to go right up on this bit. Oh.
Easy, what are you moaning for?
Anyway, needless to say, I'm relieved to be back over on the other side of the riverbed, regardless of whether it's the truth or not. Right, so this morning we are heading to Akka, which is about...
Tata.
Oh no, we're in Akka, aren't we? We're heading to Tata, and that's about a 52-minute drive away, so not too bad. We've got Christmas coming up in a few very short days, actually, so we need to make sure that we're not too far away from the guys near Agadir. Anyway, I'm feeling a bit this morning, if I'm honest. The extreme cold nights compared to the lovely hot days, because we did actually have a nice hot day yesterday, is messing with my
sinuses.
Yeah, definitely. And all the dust. We're around a lot of dust at the moment, so I think all that is getting up my nose.
Sand, baby, it's not dust.
Yeah, but it feels like dust. Like when you're driving along, it looks like dust, doesn't it? That's dust.
That's sand.
I think it's dust as well.
It's sand.
I think it's also dust. Just driving along, as you do along the desert. Turns out there's a herd of bloody camels. Oh my days. Get a load of this. Hello, Mr. Camel. Hello. Are they the camels? Oh wow, look at them. Incredible. Did it not want to eat from you? Maybe the doorbell's not working. For you, Leslie. Hello. There you go, darling. And then you. You got some. There you go. High five. Hello.
Do we know this one? Are you ready?
Au revoir, guys. Bye-bye. So this has happened quite a few times where we'll stop on the side of the road because there's so many kids that are excitedly waving at us, so you can't help but not stop. So Nick bought a massive bag of sweets, but we're calling them bonbons now because that's what all the kids call them. Said bag of toffees is twice the size of my head. So everywhere we go we've got something to give to the little ones. But yeah, it was absolutely beautiful. I really find it humbling, like that. I mean, they were looking at, when we were walking off, you could see them literally looking at the sweets. Oh, all right, are we okay? Okay, merci. So we just got stopped on a police check then. But he didn't want to ask us anything, clearly. But yeah, how when we were walking away, it was so humbling seeing them so excited, like jumping up and down. I've got 2 sweets, I've got 2. I assume that's what they were saying in their language. Regardless, they look super duper happy. So yeah, if you're out here, I would recommend bringing some sweeties. Nick wanted to bring some notepads and pens because colouring books and stuff like that. My sister works in travel and she came to Morocco, and apparently the kids were absolutely fascinated and wanting all of her pens that she had. So in hindsight, I wish we'd have gotten more, but it is what it is. I should have listened to Nick as ever. Right?
I know best.
He does know best sometimes.
That's it for this week, people.
Here's a little sneak peek of what we've got coming up next time.
Don't forget, wait till the end for the bloopers.
If you enjoyed that, give us a thumbs up and drop a comment below. Hit the subscribe button and don't forget to click the bell so you know when our next video is going to be released. Hope to see you on the road somewhere because, as ever, we are
Only half the world away.
Keep dreaming big, being kind, and make every single moment count. Not sure yet what Jackie's gonna make us. Did I paid? That's it, they're mine.
Well, Jackie will do the washing.
Oh. Oh. He's gonna need to shift. Hello.